I wonder where we are. We're here at a Menards store that I haven't been to yet. This is the Columbus, Indiana location.
So they cut it in the floor.
Yep. This is the old floor that we're on right now, and this is the new floor. Look, we got ourselves an Abell. Yes. It is an Abell. Jeez, it's gonna take a while to go. Let's go back down to 1. Let's go back up to 2. Wow, after a year of use, look at the floor. That is supposed to be up there. But why is it down yet? I don't know. Honestly, I could do a bit of maintenance on this elevator. But here too, look at that box. That's your lantern inside. For only this elevator's been here for a year, it's not that great, to be honest. Has a nice motor, but it's just a typical Menards quality. Look at that screw. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it. Look at this. Furniture and Christmas decor.
Christmas decor. Going up in storage.
Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.